Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, not in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, July the 15th, 2023. It's actually Sunday today, and I've told you earlier the additional on Sunday, yes, is not published in the weekend edition. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the edition of Monday, July the 10th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. We have two puzzles left, the tectonic with 1 star and the Sudoku with 0 stars. Yes, 0 stars. And this will be number 6763. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 30 printed digits. Should be a 0 star Sudoku. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, should be easier than the 1 star. The 1 star has 27 printed digits, so need to be faster than 50 minutes for 1 star. Maybe this one 40 minutes or 13 minutes. We don't know, we will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in that column? So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this column, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. Alright. 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be down. Then. Alright. Okay. 1. Come on. 1. Need 8 there. 6 in the first row. 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here 6 in the row below, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. The 2, no. 2 cannot continue with the 2 now. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Need to wait. 7. Okay. Alright. 1. The 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need to think. Come on. This is taking too long. Need 8 there. 7. Need a 1. 9. Need a 7 here. 9. 1, 4, 9. 4. Yeah. Still thinking. Have a 4 here, no 4 here. So the 4 should be here. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 7 here. No 9. Well, 0 stars. I need a lot of time for the numbers. Yeah. Let me put some numbers here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4, 7 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column. No 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in this row. No 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in the first row. 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 5, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes there. 7. Okay. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 1, 7. The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 there. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 and a 9. Well, yeah, I'm thinking 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those. So we have a 9. A 9 in one of those two boxes. In the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3, 3. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square the numbers the 1 and 2. 3 and the 4. The 5, the 6, 7 and is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. And now. Now. Need a 7 here. 7 should be there. Need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3. 1 is missing. In this column, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 9, should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in the 3rd row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. So here 3 and 4 are left in this 3rd row. 3 and 4. Okay. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 3 and 4. We have a 4 now in the last column. So this box should be a 3. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3 then. Alright. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the 2nd row. So the 1st row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. How about the 2? 2 in the 3rd row, 2 in the 2nd row. So the 1st row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes with 2. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the 1st row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, having troubles with this one, but we solve it again. We solve it again faster than 15 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 1 star. And in the evening, the samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.